Discord is a social media platform that bases around the idea of bidirectional and group-oriented communication. Used by millions of people globally, it deviates from the traditional algorithm-centric scrolling functionality, instead emphasizing conversation and discussion and providing homage for communities to connect and collaborate, ranging from large organizations to small groups of friends. Getting started on Discord is simple. You can use the App Store or Play Store to install the app on iOS and Android respectively. However, for this demonstration we'll use PC. Open your internet browser and search Discord download in your preferred search engine. Click on the first link, which should present you to a download button in the company's signature blue color. This webpage also offers links to every platform's installer, including Mac, Linux, and mobile devices. You can also try the experimental test build at the bottom of this page. Clicking download will prompt you to choose save location, defaulting to your downloads folder. Save the file, and after the download is complete, you can open File Explorer through either the taskbar icon or using Windows E for all your power users. Double-clicking on the file installs the application. Note, you will need an internet connection to receive the latest patches. When the install completes, you'll be greeted with this delightfully blue splash screen, through which you can either log into an existing account or register at the bottom of the box. For the purpose of this demonstration, I've already created an account, so I'll log into that. Discord will have sent a verification email to the account that you use to register, so make sure you verify, otherwise some features may be restricted. When you log in, you'll be greeted with the Add Friend tab. If you have your friend's username and Discord tag, you can add them from here. The Friends section also allows you to see who's online, pending requests, blocked users, and your entire friends list. The bottom left of your window contains your username, profile picture, tag, as well as buttons to mute and deafen during calls and access the settings panel. Clicking on your profile picture allows you to set your status, whether it be online, idle, do not disturb, or invisible, so you appear offline. You can also set a custom status for some more personalization. The first thing you should do on a new Discord account is tweak your settings. The first tab you will see is the My Account tab, which gives you the option to edit various aspects of your profile, including your avatar, profile color, and About Me description. From here, you can also change your login options and disable or delete your account. The next tab you should visit is the Privacy and Safety tab, which contains settings that may be very important if you care about online privacy and content filtering. The Connections tab allows you to connect your other accounts to your profile for easier integration and so other people can view them. Another important tab is the Appearance tab, which allows you to adjust the theme as well as scaling and layout options. For the sake of your eyes, please don't choose light mode because you will regret it. The Voice and Video tab is quite self-explanatory. You can configure your inputs and outputs and your webcam settings, including a beta feature for camera backgrounds. Some other features that might be worth a look include accessibility settings for motion limitation, window settings for disabling open on startup, which is selected by default, streamer mode for hiding sensitive information, and game overlay settings to see chat while gaming. One of the most important features of Discord is the direct messaging functionality. A chat automatically opens when two users become friends with an option to wave to your new friend. You can view their profile by right-clicking on their DM and hitting the profile button. From this window, you can also quickly call the user, add a note to help identify them if they change their username, close the chat, remove or block the user if you have a fallout, and mute the channel for a specified time, which means that you will still receive messages from them, but they will not appear in notifications. This is especially useful for busy servers with notifications on, or if you want to focus, so your phone isn't constantly pinging. A user's profile shows their profile picture, current status, any notes you have designated, connected accounts, as well as mutual servers and friends. The chat bar at the bottom of the window is what you use to communicate. The text region is where you type your message, pressing enter or return to send it. The plus icon is for uploading files, and on the right hand side is your animated GIFs through integration with Tenor, stickers, and emojis. Some servers will have custom emojis, however you can only use them in direct messages or other servers if you have Nitro, Discord's paid subscription service. Without Nitro, you also won't be able to upload files larger than 8 megabytes, so you may have to use another service such as Google Drive links to share larger files. By right-clicking a message, you can react, reply, and pin it. The pinned messages can be accessed from the top bar. This bar also incorporates voice and video chat buttons, as well as message search and the ability to add users and create a group DM. Whether it be through DMs or other means, you can receive an invite link for another server. If you get it through Discord, it will have the server's name, thumbnail, the amount of people online, and the total server members, as well as a join button. When you join a server, it will show up in the sidebar. You may have to complete an action or react to a message to see the channels in larger servers. Servers have 3 sections: navigation, chat, and members. Navigation is on the left and shows the server's text and voice channels, including their group headers that are collapsible. The chat section is identical to DMs, and the members section section shows the server members in order of roles, alphabetical order, and status. More on roles in the next section. Server owners can create events which you can share and check into. Discord will give you a reminder when the event takes place. They can also incorporate bots into their servers that can have functions including role designation, automatic messages or greetings, media playback, and many more. Users can create custom bots for unlimited customizability. However, to integrate bots, you first need your own server. To create one, you hit the plus icon in the sidebar underneath your joined servers, which should have an exclamation mark over it on a new account. A white box will pop up offering you multiple templates to start from. However, for the most basic starting point, you select create your own. You'll be asked if the server is for group or just among friends, and you will then be able to designate a name and thumbnail for your new server. After this, you will be launched into your shiny new server. If you didn't choose a template, you will be greeted with one text channel and one voice channel, both named general. To change channel properties such as the name, description, and slow mode settings for preventing spam from users, you need to hover over the channel and select the gear icon. Under the server's name, you are given the option to invite people, and clicking the button will present you with your friends list to invite, as well as a copyable server link to distribute amongst other platforms. An automatic message will appear whenever a user joins the server, with an option to wave to them. To add channels, click on any of the plus icons in the channel categories, which will bring up a selection box for the type of channel, name, and whether or not the channel is private. A private channel means only roles with certain permissions can access the channel. Speaking of roles, you can configure those in many other aspects of your server in the server settings, found in the drop-down on the server's name. This drop-down also offers multiple shortcuts to various functionality and settings. In case you were wondering, Server Boost is a Nitro feature that can unlock added functionality if enough people boost, including unlimited file uploads and animated channel banners. To create a role, visit the Roles tab in Server Settings and press on Create Role. This will allow you to assign a name and color in the Display tab and edit the extensive list of permissions and abilities in the Permissions tab. As an example, I'm creating a God role and allowing users with this role to control every element of the server. As the server owner, by right-clicking on users in this server, you can assign roles to them by clicking their corresponding check marks. As a normal user, performing this action allows you to view your currently assigned roles. You can see other users' roles by clicking on their profile. With that, I've walked you through the basic features and functions of Discord. Hopefully after watching this, you have an idea of how to navigate and effectively use this social media platform. Thanks for watching and enjoy being a user of Discord.